Here is a beginner-level digital marketing manager quiz that covers content marketing and blogging, email marketing and automation, and website and landing page optimization. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary goal of content marketing? A. To directly sell products through blog posts. B. To create valuable and relevant content to attract and retain customers. C. To generate viral social media posts. And D. To write lengthy articles without a marketing strategy. Answer: to create valuable and relevant content to attract and retain customers. Question 2. Which of the following is an important factor in blog post SEO? A. Using only images without text. B. Writing long paragraphs without subheadings. C. Using relevant keywords naturally throughout the content. And D. Avoiding outbound links. Answer: using relevant keywords naturally throughout the content. Question 3. What is a content calendar used for? A. To schedule and plan content creation and publishing. B. To measure website traffic. C. To track sales conversion rates. And D. To design infographics. Answer: to schedule and plan content creation and publishing. Question 4. Which type of content is considered evergreen? A. A news update on a recent product launch. B. A trending meme on social media. C. A how-to guide on digital marketing best practices. And D. A promotional email for a limited time discount. Answer: a how-to guide on digital marketing best practices. Question 5. What is guest blogging? A. Publishing content on someone else's website for brand exposure. B. Writing posts only for internal company newsletters. C. Creating content exclusively for social media. And D. Posting anonymous blogs without author details. Answer: publishing content on someone else's website for brand exposure. Question 6. What is the purpose of an email autoresponder? A. To manually send emails to subscribers one by one. B. To automatically send pre-scheduled emails in response to specific actions. C. To delete inactive subscribers from the list. And D. To create banner ads for email campaigns. Answer: to automatically send pre-scheduled emails in response to specific actions. Question 7. What is the key metric for measuring email open rates? A. Number of email subscribers. B. Number of blog comments. C. Total number of social media shares. And D. Percentage of recipients who opened the email. Answer: percentage of recipients who opened the email. Question 8. Which type of email campaign is designed to nurture leads over time? A. One-time promotional email. B. Drip email campaign. C. Transactional email. And D. Unsubscribe email. Answer: drip email campaign. Question 9. What does email segmentation help with? A. Dividing email subscribers into groups based on interests and behavior. B. Sending the same email to the entire list. C. Deleting inactive subscribers. And D. Increasing the spam score of emails. Answer: dividing email subscribers into groups based on interests and behavior. Question 10. Which email marketing tool is commonly used for automation? A. Canva, B. MailChimp, C. Google Analytics, and D. Photoshop. Answer: MailChimp. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the main objective of a landing page? A. To serve as the home page of a website. B. To display random content. C. To collect visitor information and drive conversions. And D. To replace social media marketing. Answer: to collect visitor information and drive conversions. Question 12. Which element is most important for a high-converting landing page? A. Too many outbound links. B. Pop-ups with no exit option. C. A long block of text without images. And D. A clear and compelling call to action, CTA. Answer: a clear and compelling call to action, CTA. Question 13. What is A/B testing in website optimization? A. Testing different website layouts to see which performs better. B. Running ads on 2 different social media platforms. C. Writing blog posts in 2 different languages. And D. Sending random emails to users. Answer: testing different website layouts to see which performs better. Question 14. Which factor negatively affects website load speed? A. Optimized images and caching. B. Large, uncompressed image files. C. Minimal use of JavaScript. And D. Using a fast web hosting provider. Answer: large, uncompressed image files. Question 15. What is mobile responsiveness in website design? A. A website's ability to function well on mobile devices. B. A type of paid advertising campaign. C. A tool for creating pop-up ads. And D. A feature that makes websites load only on desktop computers. Answer: a website's ability to function well on mobile devices. Question 16. What does a heat map tool help analyze? A. The total number of emails sent in a campaign. B. The number of followers on social media. C. The most clicked and engaged areas on a web page. And D. The performance of paid advertising campaigns. Answer: the most clicked and engaged areas on a web page. Question 17. Which of the following is a best practice for writing a high-performing CTA call to action? A. Using vague phrases like "click here." B. Making the CTA clear and action-oriented, e.g., "get your free guide now." C. Hiding the CTA within a long paragraph. And D. Using more than 5 CTAs on one page. Answer: making the CTA clear and action-oriented, e.g., "get your free guide now." Question 18. Which website analytics tool is widely used for tracking traffic and user behavior? A. Facebook Ads Manager. B. Buffer. C. Canva. And D. Google Analytics. Answer: Google Analytics. Question 19. What is the purpose of an SSL certificate on a website? A. To improve website aesthetics. B. To secure data transmission and protect user information. C. To increase ad visibility on Google. And D. To generate automatic blog posts. Answer: to secure data transmission and protect user information. Question 20. Which of the following helps improve a website's bounce rate? A. Slow page load times. B. Displaying too many ads. C. High quality, engaging content and easy navigation. And D. Using unreadable fonts. Answer: high quality, engaging content and easy navigation. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.